Hey, my name's Mac. I'm the owner of Phone Repair Philly. I have 4 locations. I'm gradually trying to sell each one. Starting with the slowest one, which is our Center City Repair Shop. It's actually in an office building. You can see it here in the image in the background next to Cadova, 1528 Walnut. It is an office building, 12th floor. It's currently understaffed, so I have it temporarily shut down while I focus on selling it. I own a big marketing company that's very successful. I don't have time to run all these locations and manage all these employees. I've been doing it 10 years. I'm kind of over it. My other company's more profitable. So let me walk through the details with you. Typically, it's open Monday through Friday. It's been here 5 or 6 years. It used to be more profitable before COVID, but in terms of the numbers, as you can see here, I'm selling it for $15,000, basically at cost. It's turnkey. All you need to do is change the phone number. Maybe create your own website, something basic. Change the phone number and name of the business on Google and Yelp, and create your own social medias, etc. Just rebrand the business and change the number. It already comes fully equipped with assets, desk, table, other stations, etc. Inventory, equipment, supplies, tools, everything you need. Selling it for $15,000. If you work the location yourself, you'll easily make $45,000 your first year. The earnings I make after expenses are around like $25,000 per year. Everything's included. This is a turnkey solution. It comes with a lease. It's about 750 square feet. I'll show you that in a minute. The rent is $1,200 a month plus utilities, taxes, and insurance. You're looking at like $1,500. You can pay $5,000 a month if you want to finance it with me, plus $2,500 in interest. And I'm barely involved as it is. I have one part-time employee. You can relocate the business. The lease is up. So the lease, is pretty much done with at the end of this month. And I'm selling because my other business is going much better. And, I'm focused on other things. I don't have time for this. And it's not making me as much money as other things could. So there's not much competition. I can help you with the transfer. I'll show you everything included. Obviously, this is the location page for it. You can check out our reviews. If you look at, I'll show you the Google business profile. This is the most important asset that comes with it, in my opinion. So if I go to this location, currently I have it as temporarily closed on Google, but you can see it right here. You can read our reviews. We have 700 plus reviews with a 4.7 rating. This gets a ton of traffic. You'll get like 10 calls a day just from this Google profile. This thing alone is probably worth $20,000 because it's going to make you a ton of money, and that drives the majority of the business. It is a little difficult to find because it's in an office building, but let me show you the inside. So if you can see here, this is kind of the front layout, and you can change all this, but everything's staying in here. I don't want to spend all this time and money removing all the assets. So it's $15,000, everything included. All the stuff in here is probably worth $5,000. It's not sleek, it's not sexy, but you can do whatever you want with it. I'm just not going to spend the time or money to remove and change everything. So this is what's in here. We currently have the inventory removed, or at least stored away. It's around $7,000 in inventory with phone screens and LCDs and batteries and all those things. But mini fridge, microwave, some art. You can throw away some of this stuff. I can help with that. We do have, let me fast forward a little bit, a little accessory wall. We got the back repair area here. I removed a few things, but you have the shelving in the back here. You got the display case, soldering station, nice table, nice equipment, printer. It's a little messy, obviously, but it is what you make of it. If you were to start your own store, it would cost you at least $15,000 plus. Imagine all the brand equity of the Google profile and the Yelp and all the things that you're going to rebrand and change the name and phone number. Literally the next week you could open up this store and be profitable. So everything in here stays, along with the tools, the assets, equipment. An additional opportunity, we've got about 15 flat screen TVs and about 30X or 65 XRs for sale if you want those, $100 a piece. So that's about it. I'm gonna add this video to the Biz Buy Sell listing and send this to some people I know. So if you're interested, let me know, and let's schedule some time to talk or see it in person. Thanks.